Cable Magic, and we have a BNC adapter to RCA female adapter. It's a BNC female connection to an RCA female connection. These are used on older TVs where you have a BNC connection and you need to plug an RCA type cable in, such as a AV cable or component cable. What this does, this will connect up to the TV and then it'll enable you to plug in your RCA connection and cables to these type of TVs. They're often used for camera systems and CCTV. They lock on to the BNC type cables. You will often need more than one of these. Sometimes you might need 5 if you're connecting a component with green, blue and red, and then an extra 2 for audio. The BNC connection looks like this, and you can get these from Cable Magic. Next day delivery Australia-wide.